Find your quiet space. This is not just a mantra, it is a gentle conversation with your divine source, a clearing, a purification, a soft restoration of inner harmony. Lie comfortably on your back, arms resting gently at your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale softly through your mouth. Do it 3 times. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Feel your body settling into the surface beneath you. It supports you completely. The bed, the earth, life itself. Allow gravity to hold your body so nothing within you needs to hold on anymore. We begin with the breath. Let your breath be long and calm. In through the nose, out through the mouth. With every inhale, imagine drawing in peace. And with every exhale, release a burden. Inhale forgiveness. Exhale worry. Inhale gratitude. And exhale regret. Let each breath carry you deeper towards rest. Let your whole being listen to the rhythm of the breath, slow and steady, your first lullaby. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Sense your scalp, your forehead, your temples. If you feel tension, soften it on the exhale. Your eyes grow heavy, your jaw unclenches, your tongue relaxes, your head sinks deeper into the pillow. Move down to the neck and shoulders. Say quietly, I'm sorry for the weight I made you carry today. Please forgive me. Thank you for your strength. I love you. Let your shoulders melt into the mattress. Now bring attention to your arms, upper arms, elbows, wrists, and palms. Feel the energy leaving your fingertips with every breath. Forgiveness flowing out, relaxation flowing in. Move to your chest, the center of your breath and heart. Feel it rise and fall naturally. Whisper to it, I'm sorry for the tension I've held here. Please forgive me for closing you. Thank you for beating no matter what. I love you. Now into your stomach and back, your hips and thighs, your knees, calves, ankles and feet. At each part, breathe in forgiveness, exhale release. Your whole body now rests in stillness and gratitude. Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Child, as one, if I, my family, my relatives, and my ancestors have brought pain to myself, to others, or to life itself through thoughts, words, or actions, knowingly or unknowingly, I ask for forgiveness now. I ask that all memories of imbalance be cleansed and transformed into peace and light. Let this night be a time of healing. Let it be a time of divine reset. And now we turn to the heart of Ho'oponopono, the cleansing. Say softly, letting the rhythm match your breath. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Each phrase is a wave washing through the body, mind, and memory. I am sorry for the unrest I have carried inside. I am sorry for every worry and thought that kept me from sleep. I am sorry for filling my nights with the noise of tomorrow. Please forgive me for holding so tightly to control. Please forgive me for not trusting the rhythm of life. Thank you for giving me another chance to release it all. I love you, life. I love you, body. I love you, spirit. Now, let me lay this day to rest. If I have caused hurt with my words, I am sorry. Please forgive me. If I have been harsh with myself, I am sorry. Please forgive me. If I have doubted my worth, delayed my joy, or resisted peace, please forgive me. Thank you for letting me begin again. Thank you that life is patient with me. Thank you. Thank you for breath, for safety, for this bed, for this moment. I love the gift of being here. I love the stillness coming over me. To my mind, always thinking, always turning, I am sorry for the demands I have placed on you. Please forgive me for not letting you rest. Thank you for always trying to keep me safe. I love you, and now I allow you to be calm. To my body, loyal and weary, I am sorry for ignoring your fatigue. Please forgive me for carrying more than I needed to. Thank you for all the ways you have served me with strength. I love you. Now rest. Now heal. Now be free. To my heart, tender and full, I am sorry for the walls I have built around you. Please forgive me for hardening you against love. Thank you for your courage to keep feeling. I love you. Keep beating gently. Tonight we rest together. If there is someone I have harmed, I bring them into this space of light. I whisper, I am sorry for my part in your pain. Please forgive me for my impatience or silence. Thank you for the lessons we shared. I love you, and I release you in peace. If there is someone who hurt me, I choose to forgive them too. I no longer carry the burden of resentment. I release what was said, what was done, what never came. I let peace return to both our hearts. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Divine Source, I am sorry for forgetting your presence in my struggles. Please forgive me for worrying more than trusting. Thank you for remaining close even when I felt far. I love you and I surrender my sleeplessness to your care. May my soul rest in your rhythm, where every breath reminds me all is forgiven, all is well. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now begin to repeat gently in your breath and thought. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let each phrase drift through you like a wave, washing away each layer of tension and thought. Say it slower each time until you can feel the words becoming light in your chest. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let them carry your awareness into the quiet beneath words where peace begins to bloom. If memories rise up, bless them. Say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If emotions appear, breathe and forgive them too. Say, I'm sorry for resisting you. Please forgive me. I love you. Do this softly, like waves touching the sand, again and again, until everything feels lighter. You are clearing through generations of memory. You are allowing love to heal what tension built. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now imagine resting within a sphere of soft golden light. It holds you, forgives you, and loves you. Your breath slows to the rhythm of the ocean. Your heartbeat settles like a drum in the deep earth. Whisper the sacred words again until they merge with silence. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel them dissolving now. No longer words, but peace itself. Divine Creator, thank you for this healing. Thank you for forgiving all that was heavy. Thank you for teaching me love through surrender. As I drift into sleep, I rest in your compassion. Let my dreams be clean, my heart light, and my spirit whole. May peace cover my mind like morning dew. May love cradle me through the night. May forgiveness whisper, you are free, you are safe, you are loved. I release this day. I release all striving. I sleep within mercy. Now breathe deeply one last time, and as your breath softens, let all the words fade into quiet light. You are forgiven. You are restored. You are loved. Sleep now in peace.